So this is exactly what we talked on my previous video. Bitcoin getting attracted in between this 0.5-0.618 Fibonacci line, getting attracted towards this neckline from this double bottom before choosing an actual trend direction. And if you look at this price action of Bitcoin right now, it is flashing us a very interesting scenario. So before I dive into the content, before we start talking about this interesting formation, what is being flashed here, please do me a favor and destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Now, first thing first, if you look at this ascending broadening wedge, a bullish continuation pattern, yes, we have failed to flip this upper trend line into proper support, resulting in a corrective move. But I showed you guys that this 0.5-0.618 retest is absolutely normal during this kind of uptrend. So this is exactly where we are, and now we want to see whether this will be the bottom for Bitcoin. I mean, today is 30th of September, the last day for the month of September, and we know the next month is October, not just only October, it's October, guys. So that's why I personally think this pullback here is absolutely normal, liquidating the all average longs and slowly preparing ourselves for a new bullish move from here on, because we know the pullback around this 0.5-0.618 Fibonacci line was also a retest from this double bottom formation. This double bottom is another bullish continuation pattern, and I even showed you with this example on the right hand side. Even in this example, you can see after breaking out from this neckline, we started with a bullish move, but this bullish move came back for a retest, which flipped into support, and only after that we had this actual bullish continuation playing out. So if you look in our case, this could be a retest. Price of Bitcoin coming back to test this key line of resistance and slowly preparing itself for another continuation like this. Yes, guys, remaining above 60,000 in my opinion will be very bullish for Bitcoin, even for the month of October, because we are aware price of Bitcoin closing the monthly candle above 60,000 means we are going to place a new ascending CP, and ascending CP only gets formed during uptrend. And now, even according to this weekly candle, nothing has changed. I showed you guys we are clearly above this 21-week EMA. So even if this here is going to result in some corrective move, this 21-week EMA support lies above 61,000. And that parallelly could be also preparing ourselves for another bullish continuation here to the upside. And why? Because even this 50 weighted moving average support has now appeared above 60,000. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that any sort of a pullback in the medium short term, right, this could be just a temporary pullback. Price of Bitcoin coming back to test the support from this 50 weighted moving average, support from this 21-week EMA, support from this double bottom, the neckline, and even the support from this 0.5-0.618 Fibonacci line, the golden pocket level. And we know remaining above that means in a bigger picture we could be preparing ourselves for this descending broadening wedge, a bullish continuation pattern. So this pullback here could be just a temporary pullback. Do not get fooled, because we are aware beside this descending broadening wedge, even according to this daily time frame, pullback here is absolutely normal. I showed you with this example on the right hand side. This falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern. So if the price starts showing weakness, if the price gets attracted back towards the 61,000, please be aware that could be just a retest, just like as shown here in the example after breaking out of this upper trend line. You can see here we broke the resistance, this very important line of resistance from this falling wedge, which resulted in a bullish move. But this bullish move came back for a retest, and only after that started with an actual continuation here to the upside. So same thing could be happening in our case as well. Resistance. Now we have broken out of it. So any sort of a pullback, you can see it could be just a temporary pullback before expecting another continuation like this playing out, because we are aware parallelly in a smaller time frame, this pullback, what we are witnessing here is absolutely normal, because I showed you guys with this example, higher highs, higher lows type of formation could be playing out here. So if the price closes the monthly candle above 60,000, guys, it is going to trigger another bullish continuation for Bitcoin, in my opinion, because that will be a close above the previous month CPI indicator. Yes guys, previous month CPI indicator. Let me add here. You can see pivot point CPI clearly shows us that remaining over 60,000 means we are going to close the monthly candle above the September CPI. This here is our September CPI. So closing above that means the next month CPI will be an ascending CPI. And why is this so important? Because ascending CPI, you can see here, ascending CPI only gets formed during uptrend. I mean, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation is expected. So that's why guys, that's why Bitcoin remaining above 60,000 will be printing a new ascending CPI, which will also trigger another bullish continuation for the upcoming month. So that's why pull back after testing the resistance from this monthly R1 line is very normal. You can see this is exactly what we were calling around 67,000. That's exactly where the price of Bitcoin came. That's exactly where we got rejected. And this here is absolutely normal, because during uptrend we have seen price testing the resistance from this R1 line, showing weakness, but after some weakness we have seen this continuing. I mean, Bitcoin forming a new ascending CPI and slowly heading here to the upside, because we are aware as soon as this key trend line gets broken, I mean this here falling channel, descending channel, bull flag, doesn't matter what you call here. Let me go back. This here, right? You can see as soon as the price closes the monthly over 60,000, I personally think even this resistance line here won't hold us any longer. I mean, this resistance will be just a temporary resistance, and Bitcoin after that will be starting with an actual bullish continuation, because as soon as this upper trend line resistance gets broken, then you can see guys, parallelly we will be also breaking out from this handle in a weekly time frame. This is a cup and handle pattern, and right now if you monitor this move carefully, you can see we are facing resistance from this upper trend line, but breaking out of this descending channel, falling channel, bull flag means we are also going to break out from this handle in a weekly time frame, which could be resulting in a very bullish move, because cup and handle is a bullish continuation pattern. And parallelly, if we simply look at this price action in a weekly time frame using these indicators, nothing has changed guys. Even after this weakness, right? Even after this weakness, what we are witnessing here in the price action of Bitcoin, we are seeing this RSI above 50, MACD about to form a bullish cross, and TTCCI already in a positive territory. So as soon as this weekly MACD starts forming a crossover, a bullish crossover, it could be preparing ourselves for another continuation like this. I mean, as long as the price remains above 60,000 or closes the month above 60,000, this pullback here will be just a temporary pullback. So please do not get confused, and the month of October will be October. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this are the first time to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free money, free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then please check the video description, because these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility and trade with free money, the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.